Are you ready for a smartphone that will blow your mind? Mark your calendars for January 22nd. Samsung is set to make history. The Galaxy S25 series is about to revolutionize the tech world. Brace yourself for something incredible. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. First look. The first images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra show a design masterpiece, available in silver and black, with titanium blue as the signature color. The S25 Ultra features a taller, narrower 6.86-inch screen, slightly rounded corners, and a titanium frame with 3 buttons on the right side. The back has 3 large and 2 small camera sensors arranged vertically. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra on January 22nd in San Francisco. Galaxy S25 series pricing. The Galaxy S25 series will feature Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor worldwide, dropping the Exynos variants. Here's a breakdown of the expected European prices, leaked by Ronald Quant. Galaxy S25, €899 for 128 gigabytes, €959 for 256 gigabytes. Galaxy S25 Plus, €1,149 for 256 gigabytes, €1,269 for 512 gigabytes. Galaxy S25 Ultra, €1,449 for 256 gigabytes, €1,569 for 512 gigabytes, €1,899 for 1 terabyte. While these prices are expected to stay the same in Europe, other regions, including the US, might see increases due to the high cost of the Snapdragon 8 Elite and global inflation. Earlier rumors suggest the base S25 will have at least 12 gigabytes of RAM, with the S25 Ultra offering up to 16 gigabytes. The big question remains: can Samsung stay competitive with these prices against rivals like Apple and Google? Only time will tell. Recent price leak. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with a premium price tag, consistent with Samsung's top-tier components and extras like Galaxy AI and a built-in S Pen. While we won't know the exact cost until its official launch, last year's S24 Ultra started at $1,299.95 for the 256 gigabytes model and went up to $1,659.99 for the 1 terabyte version. Given inflation and the high cost of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the S25 Ultra's starting price might increase to around $1,349. Samsung's bargaining power could mitigate the impact, but significant price hikes 2 years in a row seem unlikely. 2 big updates. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could be a game-changer with more RAM and innovative charging tech. Reports suggest the 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte variants might come with 16 gigabytes of RAM, while the base 256 gigabytes model could have 12 gigabytes. The standard S25 may also see a RAM increase from 8 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes, with the Plus model expected to maintain 12 gigabytes. Additionally, the S25 series might support the new Qi 2 charging standard, with options for 15-watt charging without magnets and a magnetic profile for better alignment, similar to Apple's MagSafe. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most innovative phones of 2025. Thanks for tuning in. The Galaxy S25 series is on its way to redefine what's possible. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Stay tuned for more exciting news and reviews. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of tech.